Hey batch, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will be showing you how to fix this dry ass looking brow gel that's been sitting there for a while. So what I like to use, now this is personal preference, is my beard oil. Yes, I said it, beard oil, but don't worry, Tarte Cosmetics does sell a really great oil you can use for those thicker concealers. You can use it for your brow gel also, so you can get that Renew brow gel, honey. And here we go, trying to pump. Let's do this. Trying, never a quitter. No. And I quit. Yep, there you go. So one drop. Oh, yep, there you go. That's how it's supposed to look. After that, this was the end of the video. I added 5 drops, let it sit overnight, and you should be good to go. Cover that up. Yes, queen. Now you'll probably still see some oil in there, but you should be fine. Trust me, nothing will happen to your brow gel. And as you can see, clean lines when filling in the brow. It's brand new, back to normal. Now I'm going to fill in the brows. I think I'm going to speed things up because this is going to take a little while. Here we go. As you can see, filling in the brows without any problems. Mom. Ignore my nephew, kind of loud, my bad. I am recording. Yeah. Oh my god, here comes my sister, she's loud. Here we go. What?
I order it. What, bitch?
I am recording my voiceover for my video, and I'll probably put this so everyone can hear you guys. Well, when I don't talk to the camera, this is how I do it.
Your phone?
Yeah. And there you go, I cleaned my eyebrow. And voila. There I am, looking blue. Threw on some foundation. We'll be recording another video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I appreciate you guys so much. Love you guys. Bye, batch.